Welcome to 13090 Tahosa Lane, right here just on the edge of Black Forest. This beautiful epic compound, it resides on over 5 acres of beautifully treed property, and this entire estate is designed around the epic views of Pikes Peak. You are going to love this property. I cannot wait to show you everything. This tour starts now. So welcome, we've entered the main home, and this beautiful, exquisite place, if your eye can get past the Pikes Peak view, which I promise you, I don't think it can. Everything is designed around that view. You will notice the exquisite detail from the knotty alder trim that encompasses and accents this entire living room, and it transitions so beautifully into this gourmet kitchen. I cannot wait to show you that space. And on this side of the home, you have the primary suite, you have main level laundry, and then around the corner, our famous garden room. You are gonna love that space. The garden room allows for maximum entertainment and flow and movement throughout this entire space. This kitchen is truly a chef's delight. I love the fact that you have 3 ovens. These are Thermador appliances, a gas range, large hood, the stone accents, the knotty alder cabinets, and this custom island. It is chunky. I love this granite. You can congregate around this space. You have a prep sink, you have a secondary sink, and 2 dishwashers, plus a back pantry, a prep space. This place is designed for entertaining. And then around the corner is that luxurious garden room. I can't wait to show you. So welcome to the garden room. You have a pass-through from the kitchen area, beams, ceilings, and I love this space because it can be very transitional. You can make a dining space and sitting room, or you can have an entire table out to congregate a lot more people. It has maximum flow, and it goes right out to the partially covered deck, which also has a grilling station. I love that you can have full entertainment going all around this space. Nothing and nobody feels left behind here. Just off of the garden room is this private office area. You have access to the outside in a private side door, garage access, as well as a half bathroom in this space. And if you wanted to transition this room into another main level suite, you have the plumbing for a future shower right in the half bathroom. So back on this side of the house where the primary suite is, this is the perfect time of day to showcase that fireplace right off of the balcony. Welcome to the walkout lower level. This space, it was recently finished, and I absolutely love the design quality of the space. Starting with this built-in table and a walk-up wet bar. It has leathered granite and a full-size fridge. This whole space is very open. It has gigantic windows. It still highlights the Pikes Peak view from everywhere. Nobody is left out in this space. And I absolutely love the fact that there are 2 bedrooms with ensuite baths. They are wonderfully apportioned. And then you have a half bath and a back access area to the stairway that leads in the garage. The other unexpected thing in this space, you have a giant cold storage room, and it's such a wonderful use of space, very private and away from the main level. This brick accented barrel ceiling, it leads you through the pass-through space from the kitchen. And in this space, the mudroom, this is not your average mudroom. I love that you have a desk area, closet, sink, and then around the corner you have the access to the upper level. So again, a wonderful space, beautifully separated off of the main level, and it's right next to the garage access. So as we enter the space outdoors, this is that office area. You have a side door to the side of the house and this private little patio area that still has the Pikes Peak view. But the cool thing around the corner over here, you're gonna see the party garage. I can't wait to show you that space. Again, I don't think I mentioned it yet, but have you noticed that view? It's right behind my shoulder. I can't get over it myself. But I love this large apron concrete area for so many cars, lots of parking, and right over here is the door, one of the doors to the party garage. So this is the side door. Can you believe that this door and this space is so beautiful? And it's not even the front entry, but I cannot wait to show you what's in here. This is a space of epic proportions. Again, it's designed around the views, and you have all of these beautiful trees. You bring the outdoors into the space with the sunroom. It has a beautiful farmhouse style feeling where you can entertain many people. There have been giant gatherings in this space. Welcome to the party garage. So what would a party garage be without this kitchenette space? It's amazing. I love the island, the full-size fridge, and an oven in a garage. Are you kidding me? I've never seen anything like it. It also has a full-size projection TV, and you can bring the Sonos surround sound into this space. Plus, right through this doorway, there is a private 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment with the Pikes Peak views that absolutely, they take my breath away. Okay, I know you're hoping this Corvair comes with the sale. I'm sorry to say it doesn't, but man, this shop is so incredible. It has hot and cold water. You also have a hot dog furnace and an RV-size garage door. This space is a workshop paradise. So as we leave the workshop space and the party garage, around the corner, see, we're not done. You have this incredible concrete pad. You can continue that party atmosphere from the garage to the outdoors. There's also a 2-car garage door that leads you back into the party garage. But wait, there is more to this property. It just keeps going. I love the fact that you also have a great size storage shed, and then there is an epic oversized RV garage. The possibilities are endless in that space. I don't know what to say. I think this space speaks for itself. You can have the largest RV that you can imagine in the space, or reimagine it and make it an incredible workshop space that continues. It also has a wood-burning fireplace, and if you wanted to add natural gas to the space, it is possible. Again, there are so many things you can do with the space. The total parking area On this estate, 14-car garage. I still can't get over the space. Can you? It's amazing. And the circular driveway, brilliant design because it connects every outbuilding and the main house, so everything is perfectly aligned. So as we head back to the main house, I just wanted to show you, this is the party barn in the apartment main entrance. Isn't it beautiful in that farmhouse style? So we're back on the deck of the main house, and nothing expresses the Colorado experience more than this place. With every part of my being, I absolutely love the ambiance of this place. From the fire pit to the hot tub to those Pikes Peak views, the city lights that are beginning to sparkle right now, and the 5 acres surrounding the property. It is wonderful to be only 7 minutes away from a brand new grocery store, all kinds of shopping, and you have District 20 schools as well as 10 miles of hiking trails around the Black Forest Trail, which is about half a mile away from here. There are so many things to show you about this place. I cannot wait to give you a personal tour and welcome you into the art of living at Pikes Peak Pines.